way to work and I looked wrecked because I am. But it's raining. And I'm just sitting here looking at the plants. Look at the purple sand cherry is like drooping from the rain. And then right here is a drift of violets that are growing wild. But that's a true drift. Look how nicely it just spread. Looking so pretty. What's cool too is that the cherry is now done blooming. Well, that's not cool, but I'll show you what's cool. So this is the fruit cocktail tree, and this branch and this branch and that are apricot. They flowered first, and then this, which is the peach, flowered. You can still see some pink flowers right there. And then over here we have the cherry. There's face masks and stuff. Which was blooming and now it's done blooming. But then the aronia is about to bloom. So then the purple sand cherry is blooming right there, and next the aronia is going to bloom. So there's like a succession of blooms, which is really nice because it's really sad when the trees start blooming. Stop blooming. Can't talk. Told you I was right. So it's 2021 and these are the irises. You can see buds, and this one actually has a flower. It smells like an otter pop. 1, 2, 3. I'm on my work, but I was just looking at the garden. There's the duck house, and look what I found down here. And there are more. There's a smashed one. And there. And there. And there. And there. And there. I can't tell if they were hatched or eaten or dumped or what. I don't know if I should be sad or excited. This is unrelated to the eggs, but there's a little bird right there. Hippity hoppin'. Here's Eeyore, and there's a bunch of new growth on him. So, yay. Pine cones and new growth. Down here too, and down there. And I wish this part would grow in. There's the phlox. This one is one of the ones that I planted. It was one of the Hall of 60. It was kind of where Raspberry Lane is. If you watch my videos, you know where that is. Check out the candy tuft. So cute. So far I think the hibiscus is the last to come up other than the coreopsis. And you can see little tiny leaves right there, so it's coming. Red leaf coreopsis. And here's our first yarrow flower, and this orange stuff is cayenne pepper. This is a daisy, and I think these are buds. There's I think this is a pink salvia, I think called rose maybe. But yeah, a bunch of buds. And then these 3 salvias right here also have buds. And there's also cayenne pepper. Glue this little cage onto the echinacea because last year it never got a chance to bloom. And I think this delphinium might have buds. No. And these are the poppies. Last year they got eaten. There was one here too. They're Princess Victoria Louise. And how cool, the coral berry is totally back. Here's one of the roses. I don't think it made it, but look at all this. I think it's called orange peel fungus of some sort. Ew. There's some more under this thread leaf. There's the orange tulip. One of them got eaten or knocked off somehow. It's over there. Not eaten, obviously. Off to work. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how amazing this dandelion is? These are huge.